Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we did get paid on Friday and we are going to be stuffing $690 into our cash envelopes, into our sinking funds. We have the side hustle that we have to stuff for November, restuff for December, and also we have a Etsy profit and Etsy income as well that is going to be going into our fertility envelope, and that is super exciting as well. So let's go ahead and count this up, and we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. So $690 is going to be going in to our envelopes. And I was supposed to break the 50s and the hundreds down, but we are going to see what we can work with. If we have to break stuff down, then we will. So the first thing that we are going to do is our cash envelopes. So our cash envelopes, which I have not taken vacation and I am still working on the Christmas. I do have some money left, so I'm just going to keep that in there just in case I just find something. Even though I'm like completely done with Christmas shopping, if I find something I'm like, oh, that would be a really good present, I'm just going to go ahead and get it. If I decide, but if not, then I will have some extra money left. Groceries, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have $15 left in groceries, and we are going to be putting $100 in groceries. Gas, we have $20 left over, which is really good. We usually never have $20 left over in gas, but I think because of vacation and everything, we've been using that gas money, so that's probably why I did not have to use my envelope that much. So gas will be 100, 20, and 40. Next up is fund money, and fund money we have, let's see, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I have $8 left in fund money, and we are going to count how much we have in rollover. So this is for our cash envelopes or our money challenges on Tuesday that gets rolled over. So we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. So we have $43 that we can work with for money challenges, which is really good. And then fund money is also going to be getting $100. And that is it for our cash envelopes. Now, moving on to car maintenance. Car maintenance is going to be getting $20. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, which I'm going to change these and put $100 in this one. And then let's see, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I'm going to change that again, just so I can get rid of the 100s and break some of that money up. Okay, so for car maintenance, we have 100, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. I think that's right. Let's see. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yep, so $219. And I am going to take $5 out of this because I do have to get my medicine. It is ready and filled at my local pharmacy, so I have to go and get that. Oh, this is for car. Well, it's the same thing. Car was going to get $20 as well. So we have $218 in car maintenance, which is really good. Now, medical, like I said, we are going to be putting $20 as well. So this $20 is, we do need to get $5 out to get my prescription out on Sunday. So we are going to be less than $5, but I mean, it's just $5, you guys. So 20, 40, 60, 81. Let's see. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 200. 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, and 68. So we have $268 in medical, which is great. Next up is pets, and pets is going to be getting $20 as well. So pets is getting 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, and 66. And we just bought them a huge bag of dog food. So we are going to be good for a couple of months for that. Home is not getting anything. Special occasion is not getting anything. Beauty is not getting anything. We just recently stuffed this from our unstuffing and relocating of the mystery challenges and other challenges that we have completed. So Beauty did get some love. So it currently has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And then Renewals is going to be getting $80. So 50, 60, 70, and 80. We do need to pay this at the end of the month. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, and 91. And Jared did give me some money of his as well, but I just have not gotten that out of the bank. So I'm probably just going to transfer it and just put like a little memo on my savings. So whenever the time comes, then I will transfer back that and pay for the HOA fee. Okay, so that is it for our sinking funds. Now we are going to be going ahead and do our Etsy sales. So our Etsy sales, we actually made a little over $100, and that is with taxes. November was such a good month, you guys, and I am so grateful for you guys. I do work really hard creating these. My sister-in-law helps print them. She helps put the stickers on and everything. I do a lot of the creativity, the designs, inputting the numbers, and also packaging. And it was such a really good month. I also do pay my sister-in-law for her part. And so we made $110 or so. And I put $10 towards our eBay YouTube envelope. I just put it in there, and then I will, if I need it, I'll just use it. But I wanted to add, I was going to add $50, but we are actually going to add $60. So we have 50 and 60, which will be really good. So let's see, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So do it like this. Okay, so we're adding $60 to Fertility, which is so good. It's so exciting, you guys. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. So we have $242 that we have put in Fertility, which is really good. Once we hit 500, I'll probably just go ahead and put it in our high yield savings account so we can earn interest on that. All right, so moving on, we are going to be stuffing our November side hustle, which is right here. I have not finished it, and I have not put it anywhere else as of right now. And that is going to be doing $32. So 20, 30, 31, and 32. So for November's side hustles, which is our eBay and our Mercari, we have earned 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. So we have earned $90 for the month of November, and I'm actually going to fold this up And then we are going to be stuffing eBay and Mercari's December one, and that is $58. So we have 50, 55, 56, 57, and 58. So that is a good start for December. We do still have some from Mercari. I think we have like $44 in Mercari that we need to send over, and that will be added to this as well, which is really good. That is so exciting for us. We are ending the year off with a bang. I'm actually going to put this rollover money on the side, and we have 20, 40, and 60. And looking at my notes, I totally forgot. I said I wasn't going to stuff Christmas, but I actually am, because I have to buy probably a couple of things off of Amazon. But I just wanted to have a cushion, and if we don't use all of it, then it's fine, and I can just put it somewhere else. So we're going to add $60 to this. And this is my rollover money from Disney. Some of it, I have not used it. We each got $300 as like little fun money, spending money, and I have not used any of it. I have no idea what I want to do with it. So I just put it in Christmas just in case I need it. But as soon as the new year rolls around, if this is still a thing, if I still have it, then it will go somewhere else. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 41, and 42. So like I said, I'm probably going to buy something off of Amazon, but probably not. I mean, I could probably buy a couple of stocking stuffers for Jared, but I really am completely done with Christmas shopping, and I just need to have that mindset of just stop. You're good. They will be fine with it and everything. But anyways, you guys, so that is it. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm going to have a relaxing weekend. I am so excited to not be traveling, just to hang out with my pups. Probably going to see my sister-in-law for a little bit, but that's pretty much it. Anyways, I do want to let you know, if you haven't made it to this end, whenever this video is up, the second person, one of the people that won my giveaway of one of the $50 cash, Venmo, PayPal, Amazon, one of those, they did not claim it. So we are going to be drawing a new name in Tuesday. So don't know which video I'm going to pick, but it could be this video. So just comment anything you would like. If I pick this video, that would be great. A lucky winner will be receiving $50. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys on Tuesday, either Wednesday or Sunday or Tuesday. I'm not sure. I might film something on Sunday. But anyways, I love you guys. Bye.